Hey guys, officially Fran here, and it has now been, I don't know how many days, but 4/13 we prepared this weed plants fermentation fertilizer, and it is time to strain this off. I almost forgot about it, y'all. So, really simple. Got my jar, got a strainer. It does not stink. Ugh. It smells like sweet garbage. All we're going to do is pour the liquid off of here. What we want is that brown sugar. Oh, let me make sure you can see me before I drop this. What we want is this brown sugar slurry of stuff. I don't want the weeds. I just want the juice that it made. And it doesn't make a lot, because remember, I started with 200 grams of weeds and 200 grams of brown sugar. No water. The brown sugar broke the plant matter down on its own. So this is just the juices from it sitting in the brown sugar. I'm trying to get it to shake out of here, y'all. I could have strained this in a bigger jar first to make it easier on myself. But it didn't, because I like to do things the hard way. But this is all that we're after. And it's okay that it doesn't make a lot, because we're going to be using this, remember, a tablespoon to a gallon. And I got weeds in the yard. I can make another one starting tomorrow. This might be all that I need for this for right now. Because remember, we want some weeds from each season. So these are my early spring weeds. This is the early stuff that's feeding the bees out there. And I don't have a pusher, so I'm using the back of a pen. Yeah. And I'm just trying to get the rest of the juice out of this before I push it to the side and get some more of this gunk out of here. Let's put it in a bowl. I'm going to flip that over and get some more. Get it all out of here so I can squeeze all the little juice it has. And again, it doesn't stink. It smells like sweet. I don't know. It kind of smells a little like vinegar, kind of. I don't know, I don't know. It's hard for me to describe it. It's not something that's going like, bleh. It just, you know, it doesn't smell sour. It definitely smells sweet. And it doesn't, I don't know what weeds are supposed to smell like, but I know that if I had put these weeds just in water and let them break down and went back to them, that smells awful. This doesn't. But each person's nose is different. And again, I am just getting all the juice out that I can. And so what am I going to do with the rest of this stuff? I'm going to go and add it to the compost pile. It can continue to break down there. Let's get all of this goodness out. I dropped some. Okay. I know I can use something better than this pen. I could use the cheesecloth and then squeeze it, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to get this done and over with. Let me get something to get the rest of this out of here with. Let's do that. Okay, good enough for what I wanted.
As a reminder, these are the weeds that I used. And remember, to me, they're not weeds. They're just plants growing in places where we don't want them.
Wash that off. And this is what we're left with. I am going to label this, of course. Oh, same pen, see, did come in handy. Today is 4/24/26, and this is my spring weed fertilizer. Fertilizer, da-da-da-da. Nobody's finna spell all of that. I don't even have enough room to write all of that. Tablespoon to a gallon. foliage spray. I guess when I go and use it, I'll take you to so that you can see. And the next set of, I may get some more spring weeds just so I can fill this up so that I can have it. But this is more than enough for me to use right now. I am waiting for the summer weeds to come in so I can make another batch of this. I'll be making a batch for every season because there are different weeds that show up with each season and they all have different nutrients. So let me know if this is something that you're going to try. And I'm officially Fran. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.